Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off SMS alert charges on OPay. Some people are complaining that OPay is deducting money from their account for SMS alert charges. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn it off, where and how to find it and how to turn it off. So open your OPay app. You have to go to your settings. To go to your settings, you have to click on Me at the bottom right corner. And now click on the gear icon at the top right corner to go to your settings. From here, you have to click on SMS Alert Settings. This is where you actually have to turn it off. For me, I don't have that on. So this is where you have to turn it off and on if you don't want them to deduct money from your account for SMS alert charges. Anyway, I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.